clear cache of Instagram or clear cache on Instagram. So this is how you can do it. So simply get into your app drawer section, and this is a minimalist launcher. If any one of you who don't know, simply find the Instagram, tap on this and get into the app info, or simultaneously you can get into your mobile settings first, find and select apps, then search for Instagram and you will get into this section. Here you have to scroll down in the section of usage for Instagram app info. You would find storage, right? So simply tap on storage. Here you would find all the two options like clear cache and clear data. If you do the clear data, you will be logged out from your Instagram account and you have to re-log in and re-enter the password. But if you do clear cache, nothing would happen. It would just remove the cache data, like the downloaded image, not the downloaded image which are in the gallery, but the hidden downloaded images like someone's profile. So whenever you open Instagram without internet, you would still see some of their profiles, your profile and some post. This is because of cached data on the app. So this is how you can clear Instagram cached data.